Today's topic is differentiability and differentiability via functional equations. This or similar questions appeared in JEE Main 2022 and 23. Function f is from real to real and it is a differentiable function satisfying this functional equation where x and y are real. Limit fx upon x as x tends to 0 equals 1 is given and we have to find f dash 3. In order to find f dash 3, we shall need fx and hence f dash x. We are also given limit fx upon x as x tends to 0 equals 1, which suggests that we shall have to find f dash x from the first principles. Accordingly, we have f dash x equals limit as h tends to 0 of f of x plus h minus fx upon h. The functional relationship given is f x plus y equals fx plus fy plus xy square plus x square y. By putting this y equals h, we can get this numerator. So we write fx plus h equals fx plus fh plus x h square plus x square h. So fx plus h minus fx will be fh plus xh square plus x square h. We will use this value in the numerator here and get f dash equals limit as h tends to 0 fh plus xh square plus x square h upon h. Dividing separately, this will be limit h tends to 0 fh upon h plus xh plus x square. Now according to this limit here, limit of fh upon h as h tends to 0 will become 1. So here it will be 1 plus x into 0 plus x square, 1 plus x square. So we got f dash x equals 1 plus x square. Therefore, f dash 3 will be 1 plus 3 square, 10. Hence, the correct answer option here is C, 10. This one here.